Good morning, everyone. Hillbilly Jill here with North Texas Vegetable Gardening, canning, recipes, a little bit of everything. It is still continuing to rain here. We are on our 6th straight day of rain. We think that today is going to be the end of it. We've had over 7 inches of rain this week. Again, it was needed. We had a lot of ponds around here that feed the cattle and stuff that were starting to dry up. And so now we're very excited to start having it. But let me show you what it looks like in the garden and some other areas. This is that area I tilled up last week, and I told you that it floods out 2 years ago. We got 28 inches of rain in May. And you can see that's exactly what's happening now. It is flooding out. But come over here and let's take a look at my garden. You can see that I made my row very high because I got burned that same year that we got the 28 inches of rain, and I discovered that I have to start building my rows very, very high. I want to show you guys what it's looking like on our old country roads out here. This pond was just about dry last week, and you can see it's overflowing, and we have the creek coming down, and it has flowed over here across the road. Okay, y'all, the rain has finally quit. Like I said earlier, we got well over 7 inches in the last week since Sunday. We're supposed to get some sunshine this afternoon, and we're supposed to get some sunshine tomorrow and Monday, and then the rain's coming back in. So we'll keep you posted on the progress, but right now you can see the garden is very, very wet. I'm already starting to see some of my seeds come up, and I think with the next couple of days of sunshine and the warm weather we're expecting in the next week is really going to help it a whole lot. Thank you for watching our video. If you like our videos, we ask that you click the like button, and if you like our channel, we ask that you subscribe. Take care, God bless, and have a great weekend.